Hello students, today I'll be telling you how to upload the work from mobile. If you are using your mobile, how to upload your work in the classwork notebook. Okay, earlier you were sending the pics on WhatsApp, but now from Monday onwards you will upload your work in your Teams only in classwork notebook. Now how you have to do it? Let us see. First of all, I have to install OneNote from Play Store. Go to the Play Store. Here this is Play Store, and here you will type OneNote. Okay. After typing OneNote, there'll be an option to open. That means we have to install it. Okay. After opening it, it will ask you your email phone number. Now this email is that email which we have sent you for Microsoft. Fine, you have to use this. Suppose I am using Aditya's email, Aditya's account I am using. So I have put Aditya's email ID which we have given. Don't use your personal email ID. Here you have to use your Microsoft email, and then it will ask for the password. We have to put the password. Now here we have to enter the password. Fine. So I am putting Aditya's password. After putting, then I'll go for sign in. After signing in, now here your OneNote has been installed. Fine. After installing this, you will go to get started. Fine. Now this was your task. Then go to the Teams, and here you see your class team. That is, you are having two teams. One is your activity team and one is your class team. So go to your class team, go for general, and when you'll go for general, you will see three things: post, file and more. Go to more and then classwork notebook. Okay, now click on that classwork notebook. After clicking the classwork notebook, you will see the sections. Fine. See, you will see different sections like welcome, collaboration space, classwork, content and Aditya. You will see your name. Fine. And then you will see one section that is third E. If you click that third E, you will see different sections of homework and classwork notebook. Fine. So like we have 4 subjects: English, Hindi, Maths and EVS. So we have 8 different sections for these homework and classwork notebooks. So now I'll show you how to upload the work. Suppose I have to upload Maths classwork. So go to Maths classwork. First and foremost is you have to give a title to this page. Okay, suppose I have to say money sums. Suppose I am doing money sums. So money sums. Okay, exercise 12. Fine. Suppose this is just an example. So I'll go. Title is most important, because if you will not put the title, the teacher won't be able to see the work which you have uploaded. So this title is a must. And then after putting the title, you have to insert the pics. Okay. Now where will you take the pics? Like you have taken it from your camera. Fine. So you will select here and go to this camera option. Can you see this camera option? Yes. So go to camera option. Now I'll see there is one image. You can see one image option. Go to that. And when you will go to that, you can see there are 2 pics. Can you see these 2 pics? Okay, you can go from the gallery also. Go to your gallery. Okay, go to the gallery, and can you see pics, can you see these first two pics? Okay, the first two pics. Now I have to select this pics, select this pic, and then after selecting it, go for this done option. So your work has been uploaded here. Fine, this work has been uploaded. Let me show you one more example. Suppose I have to upload it in maths homework. Okay, first is the title, again money sums, question number 6 and 7. Fine, so here I am just giving a title is again a must. Then I have to insert the image. Now insert from the camera to image, from the image. Now one more option I am giving you, from the gallery. Okay, now from the gallery, go to the gallery of your mobile and then go to album option. Fine, when you'll go to album option, there you will see camera. Okay, so here also the second image, I'll upload the second image now. Now this, when I'll upload it, after uploading it, I'll go for done option. So my picture has been uploaded. The most important essential thing is you have to give the title, then only the teacher will see that yes, the child has uploaded Monday's work or Tuesday's work, and put the date. Date is very much essential. So in this way you can upload your work from your mobile. Okay, if you have any problem, you can ask your class teacher by putting a message on WhatsApp. She will solve your doubts. Thank you and bye bye.